I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today's tip is going to be how to keep our machine clean. After you break your job down and you walk around the machine, you can see there's some ink splatter that comes onto your screen holders. Now is a great time to go ahead, wipe that off, and just walk around the press and just take a few seconds, wipe these off. Anywhere you may see some residual ink on the machine that was maybe moved during the print run or from a previous job, this will just keep your machine looking nice. It'll also, have a clean shop. So when you have customers come in, they're going to want to do business with you because your clean ethic's in the back of the shop. For more tips and tricks on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com.